Hey, what's going on guys? Brendan here at DetailKing.com, and today I'm here to show you guys the Flex XFE 15150 cordless orbital polisher.
Included with this kit are two 5-amp Flex branded 18-volt batteries. These batteries have battery indicator lights on them, and when in the charging cradle, it'll display the battery percentage and how much time is left with the charge.
The Flex XFE 15150 cordless orbital polisher has a 15mm throw that will remove scratches, swirls, and more from painted surfaces without having to be plugged into a wall. With the average run time of 45 minutes, this rechargeable and battery-operated random orbital polisher allows for easy maneuverability around the vehicle without worrying about making contact to the vehicle with a cord. Powered by a 5-amp lithium-ion battery, the Flex XFE 15150 cordless orbital polisher has just as much punch as its corded counterpart. Two 5-amp batteries are included. The Flex XFE 15150 cordless orbital polisher is free spinning, meaning there's no forced rotation like the Flex 3401, which makes finishing and correcting paint much easier. Let's put it to the test. Alright guys, that's about it for this video. We hope you enjoyed it. For any more information on the Flex XFE 150 cordless orbital polisher or any of our other auto detailing products, visit us right here at DetailKing.com. We have everything you need to keep your car clean like a Detail King. See you guys next time.